this piece here, I took this out because this had a slope going down to it. And it's actually 22mm difference between the new rafters and the existing. So clearly, when they put these floors in, they didn't do a datum mark through the wall to see where the joists were. They just built it and hope for the best. So I've got to basically rebatten all the joists in that part of the building and bring them up to height so that I can lay the floor perfectly level through, which is obviously going to alter all the walls in there by 22mm. But it's something I can do. It's not going to be difficult, but this is going to be another day, well, probably a couple of weeks worth of work here, getting this all stripped out and de-nailed and put aside for reuse. But this is bedroom 3. Again, obviously all these timbers are going to come out. Bottom edge of the battens have got to come off because it makes it so much easier for getting the timber out from underneath. The cupboard here has got to come out, all round the stack and all that's going to be taken out. Same as this here, just to make life a little bit easier for taking the floor up, because it has been a real struggle to get that out, because they've not only nailed the battens down to it, but they've nailed the bolts underneath the battens, so you can't just take the battens off and slide it out. There's, you know, endless amount of nails in it. Never seen so many nails to be used. This again was more timber we've salvaged. Obviously any damaged ends will be just chopped off and they'll just be reused where they can be. Obviously I'm not expecting to use these in this room because ceilings are too high. This is 2.7 in here, so I don't expect these timbers to reach, but you know, we will reuse what we can elsewhere. The battens are on the wall of 50mm, so they're going to be slabbed with insulation and then plastered over. I've got plasterboard to remove up there, but again, this is just messing about work. I'll probably take all the battens off the wall. I know it's a pain in the arse, but just so I can get that plasterboard out. And then I'll just put the battens back up full height and plasterboard to it, not run it actually above it. So that's concluding this. New radiators going in here. This floor will come up as well, but again, this is all going to be a later date now because I've got to get all this stuff out first and downstairs before I actually lift the floors. So again, this might be a project later on in the year. I don't know yet. Let's see how it goes. The block work, I'm still out on that, whether I'm going to be bothered to cut all that in. It's not really structural. The beams are on the other wall. It's just, it tidies it up, makes it look neater. The blocks here were cut very short by 2 inches. Again, you know, is that worth trying to save something? I could probably get a lintel on it, but it's not going to be lipped on much. You know, I could put a couple of brackets underneath it just to give it a bit more support, but why? And those blocks all up there are probably loose because there is a crack that goes through the wall, which I should be able to zoom in if I can get the camera high enough. Where is it? Oh, there it is. There's a crack that goes all the way through there. So that could all be loose. I don't know. But we'll cross that bridge. Excuse me, I'll cross that bridge when I get to it. And again, there's only one lintel there, but it's only holding up the flat roof, which I'd love to take out, but I believe that may be holding up the main roof as well. I've not looked into that to see if that's removable. But anyway, thanks for watching, and next video will be out shortly. Thank you.